Well, guess where we are? Well, I'm on the Christmas break from work. And so I'm back on the farm this week. Unless something changes. But I got last night a request to cold start to 8640. So that was good timing. And as you can see, this is the first time I have even been close to in this tractor for a long time. Already had to top off the coolant and the antifreeze for them, since they rarely ever check that unless it overheats. So anyways, let's get right down to it. Let's see how many negative comments I can get on this one. No ether, not plugged in. It's probably around 30 degrees. Trying to get the door open so you can hear it. Stay. Way. Pretty much all it's doing for work is pulling big manure spreader. That's all she's doing these days. Not nice enough anymore to be for them to want to use it in the field. So yeah, we'll go outside and listen to her. Took pretty much all of 2 gallons to top off the coolant. Yeah, she's seen better days. Kind of sad, isn't it?